using this mask. It's in the shower. Let me get it. This mask is insane. It went viral too. Like, it's completely... Whoops. It's completely viral on, I don't know, the internet. It's all messy. But you can get it on my website, you guys. This stuff is so good. Like, it makes the shine is just crazy. Like, my hair is shiny and all I'm doing is blow. It's so soft and I'm only blow drying it. Like, I haven't even put my oils in yet. Like, my hair is just so shiny and soft. I can't get over this mask. Oh my word. You get extreme moisture. Extreme. Like, your hair will, my hair feels like butter. It's not dry at all. It's so shiny. So shiny. So, you guys need to get this. It's on my website. And it's still the Cyber Monday sale is still on, so today would be the day to get it. I'm gonna finish blow drying. So I always braid my hair directly after after blow drying it, because it kind of tames my hair. Like, my hair will become more manageable when it's been sitting in a braid. You guys, it's right about this point of doing my hair that I get really tired and I want to quit. But I'm not gonna quit. I just need to finish here. About 10 more minutes. Just gonna get my roots. Something really exciting. My taxi driver was so nice, who drove me back to the hotel today. And he told me, he said, "What's your favorite food? What's your favorite Japanese food?" And I said, well, sushi is, but I said right now I'm really into ramen. Like, every day I get excited about going to get ramen. And he said, okay, go to Hokkaido. He said, because Hokkaido is where miso ramen is from, and it's the best there. Hokkaido is the mountains of Japan. So I said, it's done. We're going. So next week I'm gonna go to Hokkaido to taste ramen, where ramen is from. Ramen is from there, so, well, miso ramen is. So that's exciting. I've never been to Hokkaido, Japan. And also maybe I'll go skiing, because it's the mountains. You go skiing in Hokkaido. Oh, Hokkaido's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. They have the most beautiful gardens and meadows, but I guess you would see that in the summertime. Okay, I am done my hair, straightening it. It's so soft, you guys. That mask is just, I literally shampoo and condition my hair with the hotel, whatever they have in the bathroom. It's this freaking mask, you guys. Go get it. It's on my website right now. It's so good. I'll ship it directly to you from here in Japan. It's known as the glass hair mask, and it's so moisturizing. So if you're someone who struggles with dry hair, I'm gonna finish with, this is also available on my website. This is one of the top selling hair oils in Japan. It's called Honey Hair, or Honey Creamy Hair Oil. It's damage repair. It's 70% honey. 70% honey, and 15% other oils. made here in Japan, and it's got Winnie the Pooh on it. How cute is that? Because he's, you know. Anyways, I put about that much. Love this hair honey. This is also available on my website, and I focus it on the roots first. And then just put it everywhere on the hair. Oof, my hair feels so good. Oh yeah, by the way, can you tell I have contacts on? They are, so I got inspired because literally all the Japanese girls, they wear contacts as like a part of their everyday makeup. And so there's contact stores everywhere. On every corner there is a contact store where you can just run in and get some contacts, and they're such high quality. Like I don't even feel these in my eyes right now. They're called the Lovell Aqua Rich contacts. I got them in shade Sensational Brown. I think really what they do is they make your eyes like dull. So I'm going on a photo shoot, that's why I got them. They're subtle and not subtle at the same time. And I like them because all the Japanese girls are wearing them, so makes me feel, I don't know, when in Rome. Hydrating. So I'm just in love with Japan. Yeah, all this stuff is available on my website. I'll link it down below. You can grab, I put these contacts on my website if you want. It's a 10 pack, so they're 1-a-days. So you wear them once and then you throw them in the trash. And it's a pack of 10. So I have them on my website. If you want to get them, I'll ship them to you from here in Japan. Shipping is like, Japan is just a dream. Shipping is a dream. It's so easy. There's shipping places everywhere. And so yeah, I can ship these to you if you want a box of these. I don't know. What style are they? Japanese like contacts. I don't even feel them. They're so comfortable. And they're just 1-a-days. You just wear them once and throw them away, and it's a pack of 10. So those are available on my website. The mask and the Japanese hair honey. I randomly wanted to start doing my makeup, so I just put some concealer on. Where's the concealer? It's the Fenty concealer. Fenty concealer. I'm actually testing out a look. I'm gonna go on a photo shoot on Friday, so I wanna test something out. So we've got the concealer on, and then I'm gonna use my favorite, no, that's not it. I'm gonna use my favorite mascara, which is also a Japanese mascara, like the #1 selling mascara in Japan. This is also, if you want this, you can get it on my website. It's in my Japan box. I have a whole box of Japanese, all of my favorite Japanese products. Like an entire box, and this mascara comes in the box. So I like to build it, put a layer, then wait a few minutes, and put a layer and wait a few minutes. By the way, you guys, this super cute bag is available on my website. It's a puffer bag. It is so cute. I got it here. Basically everyone's wearing them in Tokyo. It's a crossbody bag, so it goes across your body, and it's just the cutest. I'm trying to get a wide shot here. It's the cutest thing ever. It fits everything. Everyone's wearing them here, and I'm just obsessed. And it's now available on my website. If you want to get one directly from me, I will get it for you here in Tokyo. They've got them everywhere and ship it to you. They're just so cute. And I'm obsessed. I'm about to go get some snacks. They're perfect for snack runs because that's exactly where I'm about to go.